Hey there. So, today we're going to go ahead and make our own affirmation cards. In lieu of it being November, I figured we all need something to be grateful for or something to work towards. So, without further ado, we're going to jump right in. So, before we get started on actually making our cards, we have to do one thing first. You have to decide what kind of affirmation cards you want. What is a goal that you're looking for? Are you trying to become more confident? Are you looking to increase your productivity? Whatever your why is, think about it and then get ready to start this project. So now that you've done your due diligence and figured out what you want your affirmation cards to be about, you're going to go ahead and open up Canva. For this, I used a 2 by 3.5 business card, but you can use whatever dimensions you want. As you can see, there are a lot of different templates you can use for this in the design tab, but for this, we're going to go ahead and use AI. So to make my background for my card, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down until I see Magic Media, and then we're going to click on that. I just went on and typed in affirmation background for women. Make sure you change the orientation to horizontal. Magic Media is going to go ahead and do its thing and generate us 4 different images. You can either pick one of the images or have Magic Media regenerate more images. I knew there wasn't a likely chance that AI was going to go ahead and actually give me the same image that I wanted. So luckily, I saved the background that I wanted, and I'm just going to pull it over. You can resize it to fit the rectangle however you want. I'm looking for a specific text box to add to our gratitude or affirmation cards, but unfortunately, I can't seem to find the one I'm looking for. So I ended up having to go to a different design that I already made and pull the text box that I was looking for. Since we have our text box nice and perfectly centered like I like it, I'm going to go ahead and add some text here. Pick whichever text you want, but this is the one I'm using, ample display. So now that the font is all nice and pretty, I'm going to go ahead and open up Magic Write so that we can get the prompts we need to put into our affirmation cards. So I'm going to go ahead and type in 30 affirmations for confidence and motivation. If that's not what you're if that's not what you're looking for, please feel free to type in whatever your why was at the beginning of the video. Magic Write is going to do its thing and spit out 30 affirmations for you. From here, you want to go ahead and copy those affirmations and open up a new document. And then you're going to go ahead and paste those affirmations into the new document. Copy all of those affirmations that you just pasted, and then we're going to go ahead and open up Bulk Create. You want to go ahead and paste all of your affirmations. From here, we need to connect our affirmations to the text that we selected. So you're going to click on the text, and then you're going to hit Connect Data. Once you hit Generate, it's going to go ahead and do its thing and make a new page where all of your affirmations will be. Once you do that, you are going to have to go ahead and adjust the words how you want them. And there you have it. Now you have 30 affirmation cards ready to go. Now to save it, we want to go ahead and hit share, then hit download, and then you want to save it as a PDF print. If you would like to keep these as some sort of a digital download, like for your phone as a wallpaper, feel free to re-edit it, hit share, download, and save it as a PNG, and that should do the trick. By the way, your girl started a shop on Gumroad. So I have 2 products up currently, one being a self-discovery doodle book with 30 doodle prompts to help you learn more about yourself. The doodle prompts are super easy, 8.5 by 11. It's only $10. And I also have just a regular self-discovery 30-day journal. For those of you who are still want to discover yourself, but you're not interested in the art, this is perfect for you. It is also 8.5 by 11, and it is also $10. So if you could support your girl, that would be great. I'll leave the link to my Gumroad page in the description box below. So there you have it. We have all of our gratitude cards all nicely done. If you want to print it out, be mindful that this will print as one small card on one large piece of paper. Interested in making more self-discovery stuff with Canva? Well, check out this video where I show you guys how to make your own self-discovery journals.